Hey guys, so today we're back for another video, and this is the part 2 for Legends. So yes, Super Machines Combat. No, what talk about the battle pack. Right, this is the second battle pack. Go watch my last video. I got Mr. King. Yay! Right, come on, open up. So this has what is it? 4 SuperThings, 2 combat vehicles, and 2 hideouts. Now, come on, please. Do not break. There we go. Flipping it, that was an effort. Now, I'm just not going to open the Kazoom side, so I don't risk breaking it. Right. Right, boom, chicka boom, off we go. Okay. Series 3 vehicle. Just got Mr. King in one of these. Right, we've got this vehicle. And we have, as the super zoom, we have Rinser. Hello! Right, Series 4. How many of these have I got at this point? I don't know! Right. Have I just got this? I think I just got this combination. Yeah, I just did. Got to get this combination of this vehicle and the muffin guy. I can't remember his name. Why can I not remember the names? Series 4, of course, have the dual teams. Wait, does it not go in? There we go. Continue the tradition of firing them at the camera. Oh, yeah, that one's powerful. Right, hideout time. Series 2. Open sesame. Right. Series 2 checklist. Bang. Open the hideout. We have a rebel roll. Woo! For some reason I didn't have to take the seal off. I just don't have to do that now, I guess. I'm strong, but not really. Right, Series 1. Off we go! It's me, Mario. I'm going mad. Alright, good to see we've got a villain hideout, because this one blue and red hideout, in fact, let me get it. Is the one at the top? Oh, no, there isn't, but I have loads of this just blue and red hideout, and I'm not sure why. I just have millions of it. Right, who have we got? Oh, we've got Spice Bandit. Yeah. Spice Bandit says hello. Right, oh, he's escaping. Well, you are now locked in. That's probably some of the only hideouts we get. Right, let's go for this. Now, at least one pack, I'm not really... I haven't got scissors with me, which is not good, to put it simply, because these are a pain to open. Do they have a test? No, they don't have a test yet. I might actually just bite them open. I might have to do that. Oh my gosh! Right, oh, we've got Series 8. Alright, Series 8. A lot of fans don't like that series. I personally thought it was fine, probably because Kazoom Kids just hog the cartoons. It's like, rename the franchise, Magic Box. Kazoom Kids. Basically what they did after Series 8. Right, Series 3 vehicle. Right, there's the checklist. There's the vehicle. I only have one of this vehicle in this colour. And, oh, we've got Power Bucket. One of the few super things not to have a cape. Right, Series 8. So very flat. I think this is Dr. Screen, you know. Is my prediction correct? Right. Dr. Screen's a silver, of course. Oh no, it's Slicey. My prediction was not correct. Look at them just to assess the random things we've got here now. Woo! Let's continue the madness. Right, mystery bag. Again. Oh, there we go. Right. Oh, we got a Power Machines one. Now, I watched Team BBB's video, and they only got 1 Power Machines one, so that's good. But then again, I do have 25, not 18. Right. Who have we got for Power Machines? Everything for Dr. Vod. You've got a really squishy head. Right. Oh, we have Dark Spicy with his checklist. Right, Series 3 vehicle. Right, I'm going to feel this and see if I can guess who it is. I don't think it is. but I'm going to go with either Dumbfire or Mega Fresh. Right. Checklist. Wapang. Vehicle. Wapang. Oh, I need it in this car, I think. Yes. Right. Yes, Dumbfire. Right. We don't really have much else, because I do have other things, but they're going to be for separate videos. Right, I've got about 3 minutes before I'll have to stop this. There we go, that's how we should open. Really only have to open a crystal kit. Oh, we've got another Power Machines one. This co-op really likes Power Machines. Right, Power Machines. Woohoo! Quote Damon Albarn. Right. We've got Brockle. Well, I'm showing him the wrong way. There we go. In pink. Still think I need them in green. So if you're curious about the pricing, the battle packs are for £5. The mystery bags are £2 each. And the Super Machines Combat £4 each. So I think it's pretty good. And the Mega Pack 6, but that was in the past video. Right, oh, we've got this vehicle again. Right. Oh, we've got red Dumbfire. Getting Dumbfires out the wazoo. Right. I would say we've only got 3 mystery bags left. No, we've got 21 left. Because I bought a full box plus 7 to make it 25. And that's how many are in a normal box now. Just checking, yeah, those have been opened. Right. Come on. Oh, they're coming right. Oh, we've got a Guardians Kazoo. So this is the most recent series you can get. So it's series 1 to 9. This is series 9. So I think it's the first time they've referred to Guardians Kazoo as series 9. Because they normally just call it Guardians Kazoo. Right, we have checklist. There we are. We've got a taco. Or as I say, a taco, because I speak in a posh accent. So, Mr. King's still here. Hello. Right, mystery bag once more. Oh, we've got series 2 in this. Come on, out you come. Oh, this is an effort. Right, I still need to open the series 9 actually. Completely forgot about that. I don't remember that being this purple. Whatever. So this is the only series in Legends to be paper. Right. Oh, we've got Nasty Knave. I like him. He's just cards, of course, and then checklist. Right. I do keep all the checklists in case you're curious. Right, Series 2. Do like Series 2, so we'll save that for last. Also really like Series 3. Right, off we go. Right, checklist. Bang. Vehicle. Bang. That's the one that comes in gold, isn't it? You can get this one in gold. And then Super Zing. Oh, we've got Silver Max Treasure. Right, Series DOS. Right, I'll open this and then I'll end the video. The finale. Oh, it's Circus, but I need him in this colour. I really like Circus. Yay! Right, well, I shall see you in part 3 of Legends. I thought this would be part 2 at most, but hey-ho! Well, bye!